Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Psycho Mom Gets Humbled After Terrorizing Family at Park.
On April 19, 2025, officers responded to a public park for a call of a battery.
Hey, the lady in the blonde hair is really... Okay.
Let's go, Kaden. Let's go. We know we didn't. Please, thank you.
Okay, so we were sitting on the little thing.
Can I talk? No, it happened to me.
I will talk to you just in one moment, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
If you want to just go have a seat right over there, yep, I'll be with you just a moment.
Sorry, sir. If you mind stepping over here, please. So it all started, we was at the park with the kids. Sorry, I'm a little shaken up trying to calm her down. We was out sitting, she's on the chair with the baby. Her and my daughter was selling thing. She was sitting on the swing for a long time. This lady right here in the green and the blue little garment thingy. Okay. She was sitting there for a long time. So my wife went over to sit next to her, started swinging, and she was swinging normally, you know what I'm saying? And then her daughter came over to broken arm, and she said, my wife's over there swinging where her daughter was. She's swinging kind of, fast, because it's a swing, you know what I'm saying? She's like, can you slow it down, please? She's like, man, you've been on this swing for a long time, and now your daughter comes over with a broken arm, you're going to tell me to slow it down, but my daughter can't enjoy her time. So she started yelling at my wife, right? So she's yelling at her, and then she starts, man, don't talk to me like that. And she's like, so, you know, females, I go back and forth. She starts recording her with my daughter right there. So my wife smacks the phone out of her, and the lady punches her in the face. What's the reaction out of that? Okay. So that's what it got escalated. She started yelling, started pushing.
Wait. His wife smacked her phone out of her hand? Hold on.
So she started yelling at my wife, right? So she's yelling at her, and then she starts, man, don't talk to me like that. And she's like, so, you know, females, I go back and forth. She starts recording her with my daughter right there. So my wife smacks the phone out of her, and the lady punches her in the face. What's the reaction out of that? Okay. So that's what it got escalated.
No expectation of privacy in public. That you're cooked. But you can't someone can record you. But you can't put your hands on somebody. It's over with.
Don't talk to me like that. And she's like, so, you know, females, I go back and forth. She starts recording her with my daughter right there. So my wife smacks the phone out of her, and the lady punches her in the face. What's the reaction out of that? Okay. So that's what it got escalated. She started yelling, started pushing, and that's my wife with her back. And then the men come over thinking, oh, you're doing this in front of the ladies. And she got this lady coming, and my wife's like, yo, y'all, all she said was like, didn't need to, don't record her. She slapped the phone out your hand. You didn't need to hit her. That's all she did. You asked her belonging, but there's no right for you to record somebody in her face like this.
Who was recording?
That lady right there in the green and the white. The one that punched my lady in the mouth.
Okay. So which one's your wife?
This one right here. The one that's a little hyped up right now.
Gotcha. Okay.
That's why I don't want you to talk. It's a little hyped up.
Anyone can record. You can't smack someone because they're recording. If you're
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. She's punched her. All she did was just smack her phone. Like, don't hit like the phone. So she went down and punched her in the face.
She hit her.
Yeah, she got a bloody lip.
Okay.
She hit first. She smacked the phone.
She smacked the phone out of her hand.
Who smacked the phone?
This girl smacked the phone out of her hand.
Okay.
Causing the reaction.
She caused a reaction, and she kept recording. Yeah, she kept telling her, don't record. My daughter's here.
Okay.
But there's a minor there.
You're not allowed to slap somebody's phone.
But there's a minor there, though. You can't record when there's a minor there.
There's nothing that says you can't record when there's a minor there. If you're in a public...
Okay, well, she slapped the phone out of here.
If you're in a public location, you can record.
Okay, but she should... She's
recording my daughter in her face.
Anyone can... When you're in a public
But she's not going to do it in my face.
Anyone can record.
That's fine, but she's not going to do it in my face. I don't care where she's able to do it, but she's not going to do it in my face.
She never slapped the phone.
Do you guys have this video, or they all have it?
They all have it. They recorded it. Hey, relax. Come down
No,
now.
I'm ready to go. We don't got to talk.
No, come down now.
Let's go.
Okay. If we're actually...
Ma'am, just hang out here.
Let's go. We don't got to talk to you.
You have video?
We really don't, though. In all reality.
Just hang on.
No.
Do they have video?
No, it's video, but she's making no accusations.
It's the opposite. That's what they're saying. She was recording her,
We ain't talking about you, but if you want to get to it, we can.
swatted the phone out of her face, but she got it in her face. And then they have the video. This video?
Would you like somebody in your face like this? I'm trying to...
All right, listen, man, do you have your ID on you?
No.
Okay, what's your name?
I can't take that.
Okay, baby, just ma'am, right now we're conducting an investigation, so you're going to need to identify yourself.
For what? I didn't do anything.
Still doing it. So she just smacked the
You
phone.
punched someone in the face.
No, they hit me first. You see that? So they she came over. What's that? What's that, bro? They hit me first. They retaliated first. I just retaliated.
Who has the video? Who has the video? Can I watch the video?
Yeah, right here. I got everything right here.
Looks like the original plan.
What happened before this, though?
Just this lady was already on everything on right here.
Okay, wait.
On the swing.
Does anybody have anything that, like, when it actually happened? This is all after.
No. So my sister was sitting on the swing.
This lady was recording. She didn't do anything. Here she already punched me. She called the little kids right here. She called little underage and
You see her punching my sister.
she literally punched me from here to there.
You have the video, too?
When I started to record her, she just pushed my arm off.
Do you have that on video, though?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Look. Why I record her? Because she, look. She started screaming at me.
It's funny to watch the one in the blue. She thinks she got some important video, but that shit is after the incident. They want to see what leading up to the incident or the actual incident itself. That screaming and yelling is all after the hit.
I just told her you cannot go fast.
No, this is, yeah.
Then she had my phone. So
She knocked it. You can see she knocked it. Is that... This
Wait,
is
what did she just say? You lucky I don't hit you again.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. My sister did not touch her.
yeah, I didn't touch it. I didn't say anything.
She smacked her on her face. She smacked her phone.
I told her I have a little kid. She broke her arm.
Do you want to press charges?
Yes, I did. Yes, and I'm gonna press charges too. Yes,
I'll get all
because
this.
she hit me.
She picked
She
her up
literally
and
punched
smacked her on the
me
floor.
from here to there, and I didn't do anything. I only was just because she was hitting this lady. I don't know her. Okay, I just saw her start calling her names. I only got involved just because she started calling her name. This lady was on the here with her family, and she came sitting next to her. Yes, I have ID.
May I see it?
Yeah, but y'all saying y'all didn't hit her. Somebody hit somebody because the other lady does have a busted lip. So somebody hit somebody. Now, obviously the whatever the what do I call this lady? The lady in the blonde, okay? She, obviously she's in trouble because she sparked it by touching them first with smacking the phone out the hand. But for both of them to say that they didn't hit her, somebody hit her too, because she got a busted lip. She ain't do it to herself. So, but like I said, it doesn't really matter because the other lady hit her first.
If we pressing charges, we're gonna press charges because I got a fat lip and they got nothing.
Okay, well, ma'am, I watched on video, so it's...
You can watch on video, but
I'm not gonna go into it right now because I haven't read you your rights and I can't speak to you about it because you're not free to leave.
Did I punch them in their face before they touched mine? No.
I watched on video where they started recording and you hit them.
Yeah. So they didn't hit me?
That's after the punch, sir.
They didn't hit me?
You got people here that
So on the recording, they didn't hit me?
That's after the punch.
Well, on the recording,
They didn't hit
when
me?
you hit the phone out of their hand.
And they didn't hit me?
So how she recorded?
Because they got hit first.
No, that's how we know it's all bullshit.
Right. You can't hit me.
I didn't hit you.
And then I hit you back. That doesn't.
Phone, sir.
That is the person.
That's not a person. A phone is not a person. Why are they recording my 10-year-old daughter?
Asked her to get out of her face.
Let's be real.
We've gone over this.
I didn't go.
I get you wrong, but at the end of the day, it's in her face and her daughter's
Babe, I'm ready to go. This is why I didn't want to stay here on the legal terms.
It's public property. Ma'am.
So I wanted to leave.
Ma'am.
So I wanted to leave because I'm not from here. I don't do this shit. I don't do this shit. What's corny is me staying here. That's what's corny.
He's like, he understands what I explained to him already.
We don't talk to these people. No, get out of here.
I get the phone is a private property or whatever I'm saying, but she told her to get the phone out of her face, and I'm like,
What's the phone?
you know what I'm saying? I could have reacted to different level.
How many of them are there attacking me? And y'all sitting here like that? There was 4 people who was
I'm ready to go.
crazy. Including 2
Miss
bags.
Perez.
She's just talking. She's just talking. I know. She's just talking, baby. She's just talking.
Including 2 bags.
Where's Caspian? You worried about them?
See, and what's sad is that the kid, you know, obviously the kid is gonna side with their parents, but your parent is wrong. I mean, it may not be comfortable, it's uncomfortable, but you have to know that there is no expectation of, if you don't learn nothing from this video, I know I got a lot of people that watch me who, you know, they on point. But if you're just a casual viewer and you don't really know laws like that, learn this one. Just learn this. There is no expectation of privacy in public. It may not feel comfortable. It may not feel right. You may feel some type of way, but people can record you in public. There's cameras everywhere. People can record you in public. Your kids, they can record you. You're in public. Period. End of story. It's not illegal.
It's my son. I worried about this.
Oh, so anyway, back to what I was saying. So the kid think that, well, mommy was sticking up for me or whatever because they were recording me and I'm young, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Like, mommy is wrong.
She will go look for the children.
I'm trying to look for my kid.
Ma'am.
Worry about them.
Ma'am, I'm worried about you right now.
Mister, but
So,
why aren't you worried
listen.
about them? They put hands on me.
Yeah.
Why aren't you worried about
If you
them?
don't stop, you're gonna be
Babe,
detained.
no.
Doing, relax.
Why aren't you worried about
If
them?
you don't stop, you're going to be
Okay,
detained.
mister.
Do you understand?
You should know.
She is going to go look for the children.
What's your name? Mr. Grant?
Yes.
Why aren't you worried about them?
I am worried about. I'm worried
So go
about
worry about
everybody
them.
involved.
No, you worry about me.
And you said,
worry about them because they put hands on me.
Did you
I
read
put
them?
hands on them.
Have you
They
gonna
put hands on me.
Okay.
Relax. So, are you gonna read them their rights? Have you read them their rights? Have you said that
I
to
don't
them?
have to read them
I know,
rights
but
right
have you
now.
said that to them though?
I don't have to.
I know, but have you said that to them though? You didn't put that gesture to them, but you put it to
I don't have
That's what got
to.
her.
You said it's
That's what
I
got her.
don't have to. You're not understanding. You're not.
Fuck
You
out of here.
can't
They
speak
punched
to
my
it.
face.
I know, but
That's what happened.
Easily justifiable item part 8, right?
You get what I'm saying? You literally said,
I mean, she's not admitting. Don't and all that.
Yes, they did.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay loud.
If she has an ID, she can be.
I'm gonna stay loud.
let go and
Your child, your daughter, your
That's
wife.
something y'all are out of here. I'm gonna stay loud. But y'all white people gonna side with them. Out of here. No, I ain't gonna stop. I'm done. Out of here. Where's Katie?
I know.
I'm ready to go. Out of here. I'm ready to go. No. Being turned.
I mean, she's. I
Kaden,
can tell she's.
let's go walk.
We're gonna take this.
Y'all white people, I only see one dark skinned one out of this group. But okay.
I had a man handle you. Let's walk. I had a man handle you. I got tips. I had a man handle you.
Stop.
Yo,
Stop. You're not leaving. I already told you several times you're gonna be
What did I
detained.
do? What did I do? What did I do?
Stop.
Read me my rights and tell me what I
Stop
did.
moving.
Read me my rights
Stop
and tell me
moving.
what I did.
Stop.
I'm not moving. Read
Stop.
me my rights and
You
tell me
are.
what I did. Read me my rights and tell me what I did.
That's what we're gonna do.
Read
I don't
my
know
rights.
when you graduated the police academy, we don't have to read you your rights.
You don't have to?
No, this isn't a TV
Okay,
show.
so what am I getting arrested for? I'm asking you.
Battery.
So battery of what? Battery of what?
Battery.
Battery of what?
Baby, stop.
What did I do?
Stop.
Battery of
Stop
what?
moving.
Battery of Battery of what? Read me my rights.
Because she
Battery of
just
what?
Hold on to the kid so we can get her out of this area.
Battery of what though?
pacing back and forth. She has not left this area.
Battery
She
of
has not
what?
left this area. She's
Take
not
my
left this
keys,
area,
babe.
though.
Take my keys.
No.
She can't have my keys.
Everything on you stays
Wait,
with you
so
right
my
now.
kids gotta stay?
Ma'am,
You're
stop. What are you
my
doing?
kids need their keys.
Okay.
They gotta go home.
Everything on you stays on you until
Two
we
white
search you.
boys. Two white boys. Break my shoulder again. Break my shoulder some more. Excuse me, can I get detained by a woman? I want to be detained by a woman.
We're gonna need to stop.
Well, I want to be detained by a woman.
She's
I
gonna
can't be
search you.
detained by a woman.
No.
I'm asking y'all to be detained by a woman, and y'all not approving it. You're not approving it? You're hurting my shoulder. I'm asking to be detained by a woman.
Are you gonna relax?
What's your name?
Peter, are you gonna relax?
I'm asking you to be detained by a woman.
You don't get to fucking pick how this works.
Oh, so you get to choose how you treat me?
Have you ever been arrested
Wait,
before?
wait, plenty of time. So you get to choose how you treat me because you're hurting my shoulder right
to the
now.
left. Go find
And I'm asking for a lady. I'm asking for a woman.
Yeah. Did you take any drugs or anything?
Drug test me. I don't do drugs.
Because you're acting
That's
very
great. And I'm
irrational
gonna act
right
like
now,
this.
okay?
And I'm gonna act like this. I don't do drugs. I'm gonna act like this. Because I had 2 people punch me in my face and y'all arrested me.
But you didn't give a... What's your name, Alicia?
No, it doesn't matter. No, it ain't me. No, it ain't. But it is. Lost 100 pounds. Hey, how you doing?
So what's your name?
I don't know.
Is your name Ashley?
Nope. Arrest me. And that's my name. That's me. Can you let go of me?
Absolutely. Now you're definitely going to jail.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Let
so
me go to jail.
False.
And y'all going to jail too.
Yes, you are. You are going to jail.
Yes, are.
You falsely identified
Yes,
yourself.
I got 2 grown
you live
ass
in
men.
Altamont Springs,
I
which is
got-
not Tampa.
I don't. I live in Tampa. I live in Tampa,
Yes.
boo-boo. You want my address? We got 2 or 3 grown-ass men arresting me, manhandling me. Take me in the car. Take me.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Unbelievable. I feel like I leave every video just like, can't believe what world we live in. You know, on one end, I get it. I get it. You don't want people recording you. You don't want people recording your kids, yada, yada, yada. Don't go to a public park. It's weird. It may not feel right. It may be uncomfortable, but it is what it is. No expectation of privacy in public. Simple. Simple. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.